Aloha, and welcome to my channel, 808 Living Island Style. My name is Jeff Hanna, and my goal is to show you what living here on the big island of Hawaii is all about. Today, I'm going to take you back up to Waikoloa Village where I hosted another open house for my friend and fellow realtor, Kendall Di Donato. Come check it out. Pretty cool, huh? I love driving around this island. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the condo. It's another 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but this one is on the first floor, so you have no stairs to worry about. And another great thing about this particular unit is it's in like a standalone building all by itself. There's only 8 units in this one, and there's no other buildings around. That's very private if you know anything about condo living. It's awesome. All right, I'm here at the second open house I'm hosting today. This one is on the golf course as well. I got some people playing right now. So now this is a first floor unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Walking down the path. Unit 104. Okay, so here, come in, you have a living room. Here's your kitchen. It's been recently updated. Got new appliances, new countertops and cabinets. And just a little eat-in spot. Nice and cozy. Here's one of the full baths. This would be the hallway at that. Here's the master. Pretty decent size. Got a nice window out there. Here's the master bathroom. It's got a tub and a shower. And then your basic single sink toilet. Here's the second bedroom. It's also a fairly decent size. You can see right out onto the patio out there. And let's go take a look at the patio. About to be repainted, they say. Little spot to kick back and have some coffee or whatever your beverage of choice may be. Here's what you look at. You don't see any other condos or anything out of here, which is very nice. That is a bonus when you live in a condo. If you don't really see any of your neighbors, that is a plus. Anyway, here's where we are. And give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. All right, now this particular unit is priced at $469,000. It's awesome. It's very private, like I said, for a condo. Very hard to find. It's also on the golf course. Check out the pictures. It's beautiful. But go to my website at www.808livingislandstyle.com. There you'll have access to the MLS, and you can look these properties up and see everything there is to know about them. I gotta say, being a realtor is a wonderful profession for me. I get to mix my love of real estate along with my love of helping others. It's perfect. And I have to say, the fact that I get to do it right now on the big island of Hawaii, that doesn't hurt either. I am a realtor, like I said, and I would love to help you when you decide it's time for you to come to the Big Island of Hawaii, I want you to reach out to me. I want you to call me. I want to be your man on the ground. I really want to help you out. So you got this YouTube channel, you got my website. I'm all over the internet. Please give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks again for watching my video today. Please like and subscribe. Go to my website, punch all the cool buttons that you see there. Let me know you're watching. And let me say one more time, thank you. Or as they say here in Hawaii, mahalo. Have a great day.